Finally, the rain has let up here in Bruges. You get to explore the town a little bit. This is money in the bank chocolate. Drinking Belgium's local beer. It's called the Bruge Zot. One in Bruges. Alright, Jaycationers, we're now here in Bruges, but it's kinda, sorta raining. Got my umbrella, but we're probably just gonna try to hop from bar to bar and drink beers with Jakey boy. So we've made it here to Bruges, but it's raining outside, so I had to put my camera away. We're in a bar now. We're just gonna drink beers until the rain subsides. Forget the travel guide. We're just drinking beer today. This is the Lefebvre. This is good though.
Alright, try this other one.
This is the triple caramel. It's almost as big as my head. It's good. Nice. Merci beaucoup. Finally, the rain has let up here in Bruges. You get to explore the town a little bit with Jeff, who's been here a couple times.
My favorite place.
It's one of his favorite places. This has been a bucket list for me for a long time to come to Bruges. So we're finally here.
Beers.
Last time I was in Belgium, I was with this guy. We were in Brussels. Brussels and mussels.
Check it out. It's like the painted ladies in San Francisco. Like that stuff. Usually there's an ice skating ring in the middle in the wintertime. You could walk through that little alley and then there was a museum in there. Which museum was in there, Jude?
Historium, History Museum.
But if you walk through that valley, there's a church there that has supposedly Jesus' blood.
So the name of this square is Markt. And yeah, it's got a lot of crazy, beautiful buildings here.
And we can come back this way.
The canals now because we said you didn't see any canals yet.
What's a sissy boy? I don't usually like museums, but the beer museum, the beer museum is a museum I definitely go to. This small church right over here is like a relic, a piece of cloth that wiped Jesus Christ's body before he passed away. Finally, saw my first canal, and then the market's right over here to the left. So that's pretty cool. You can take a tour on a boat through the canals and learn about the history of Bruges. Judy, this place right here, Bruges, it's like, you can compare it to Venice, right? But as if Venice had Seattle weather and darker water.
Right. Yeah. It's all right.
obviously you gotta have fries. One fries with mayo, one fries with ketchup. So we're in this little courtyard by a museum, and we got statues of the Four Horsemen of the Apocalypse. Look at this. This bridge right behind me is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Hospital in the 14th century.
Dumon, Amiens.
But there's 3 big chocolatier companies, and Dumon's one of them. And it's supposed to be the best out of the 3, according to Rick Steves.
Gotta listen to Ricky boy. I like the white chocolate caramel. Man, this is money in the bank chocolate. Alright, now we're trying the one with the Grand Marnier liqueur in it. We're here at a restaurant listening to some music and drinking Belgium's local beer. It's called the Bruge Zot. And it comes in this specific glass. It's a light beer. Everybody has it over here. So when in Rome, when in Bruges. Judy is saying that this is the part of the canal where the boats turn around and it ends and they go back to the other part of the canal. Off to dinner we go in this winding steps.
Ooh, it's hot. I can't even open it, man. It's hot.
So I got the mussels and fries. Jeff got the half mussels for those mussels and fries. Jacob got the pasta. What was that, chicken pasta?
Yep.
Chicken pasta, and then Judy got the beef stew. This is the Flemish meal. So So that was Pool's Mools. We just walked into it in this square. Some good Flemish food. The mussels were fantastic. A little pricey, but really good.
I agree.
The mussels there were fantastic. How did you like your stew?
It was good. They had big portions.
Hey guys, you're stepping on my
A small
way.
portion would have been nice.
Yeah, you can totally just share. So thumbs up on Pool's Mools. Oh, review about the beers. We really like the red beer that I had, the cherry beer, but the Jeanette beer, kind of flat. Alright guys, so that's it from beautiful Bruges, Belgium. If you like the beer, or like the mussels, like the fries, and the chocolates, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. A lot of great content coming up. And comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.